Go ahead and
Yeah,
get
and then
started.
we can start. Yep. So, hello everyone. Let me walk you through the another side of the agent or fulfiller journey where the service desk has done its job, how Brian has demoed just a couple of minutes earlier. But then eventually, service resilience comes into picture where you would like to change, execute change, implement a change. So during that process, change management summarization, I mean, change request summarization comes very handy for change managers and change approvers persona. So having said that, but implementation of any features becomes one of the very critical aspect and KPI for any service owner or admin. But the good news is, as other features as now assist for ITSM, the change summarization is also some clicks away. And how that is, let me walk you through. So as an admin, I have logged in into this system and I have went to this now assist admin application through my admin uh, menu item. Here I can go to the now assist features and click on technology. If you are aware of our earlier releases as well, this is the same place where you can configure incident summarization, chat summarization, and other stuff. Here, I should be able to see change as a new section. So chat knowledge incident was there earlier. Change came as a new section. And here, as a part of our September release, we have introduced change request summarization. So the change request summarization, what we have introduced has not only the information which is there from the change request table itself, but also from its peripheral related list. But I do understand that there might be some custom fields or there might be other fields you might be using it, which you would like to include in your input to the summary. To enable you that, you can either you can come here and click on make a copy. If you are happy with what we have ever shipped as a part of the product, out of the box product, you just need to come here and click on activate. So just one click activate, you're done. But if you would like to further configure it by including your own inputs, by defining what kind of output you want to show, what sections to show and what not, you would like to come here and click on configure. Let me take you back and show how quickly you can configure and how it is uh, easy it is. Okay, so I'm here. I'll go back here. And as I want to copy this out of the box skill, let me click make a copy. It will open up almost every sections which I could edit, but there are some sections which you will not be able to edit.
Apeksha,
Yeah,
can you hold on? I think I saw there
a
is an
question.
issue with audio. Who is asking? Can
Ah,
can someone on the call at least confirm if you could hear? I think Mohit said he cannot.
Yeah, I see Stefano has raised his
oh,
hand.
yeah, Jesus says
He
he
just
can.
said okay.
Okay, looks like we're
Okay,
good.
thank you, Kritika. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm taking it forward. So you can come here in your copied skill. You can come here and change the skill name as per your business requirement and change quickly its description, which is more suitable for your business. Then you can define all the inputs for different types of states. So what we have done, we have analyzed different data from our customers and saw that the response which is coming out or the information which you would like to show, need to show in summary is actually based on these 4 states. So we have clubbed some of the states here and then these inputs goes in those states. But you can come here and say, for example, if you don't want to send service, you're not using CI as an input, you can come here and change that. You can include some other related list also, which you would like to send as an input. I will not change anything and then go ahead and tell you the second area. So this area, which is customized prompt, will help you to define what you want to see as an output. So for example, if some of the customers are not using risk as a factor, then you can uncheck this risk from the output. And then right here, you can also type in some record to test that if I uncheck this risk, how my summary is going to look like. So right then in here itself, you can test it based on what sections you want to include, what section you want to declude from here. Here you can define where this skill should be available. Do you want to make this skill available all the time? Do you want to customize this skill availability, say, based on different criteria on the change form? For example, state, uh, location, and so on and so forth. And at the end, you can define where all you want to show this feature. You want to show this feature in product, or you want to show this feature also in analysis panel. Going forward, you can also define what kind of roles should be able to see this. So I'm not going to activate it because I have not changed anything and there's no point in activating it. If you click on save and continue, it will activate the custom field which you have created and deactivate the one which we have shipped out of the box. Once you're done with this, you're good to go. And how this will look into different user experience, which is our service operations workspace and native UI, is here. So as you have seen, we have different sections based on the state. So what you're seeing in front of you is a change request, which is on the authorized state. So that's the reason you're seeing sections, which is objective, plan, and risk, which is relevant to current state and current information, which is there in this change record, as well as the other related records. But if a change which has completed its workflow, you will see more information. If any incident caused by change yet, what happened, what are the close notes, and so on and so forth. Similarly, in the native UI also, you would be able to see the screen and the functionality remains the same. You can copy this to the work notes. You can provide your feedback from thumbs up and thumbs down. You can copy this to the clipboard and save it wherever you want. So this was a quick demo of change summarization. And as we were talking about the service desk, as well as the service resilience performance altogether, let me jump back to the service desk and walk you through what we have done to make service desk even more performant. And let me log into the system once again and walk you through what is coming out new in our September release on top of Zenado family. So task intelligence have been one of our very successful native AI ML product. So please note that now I'm talking about AI ML, not talking about generative AI. So AI ML products is what we're calling native AI. And these are not the ones which use large language model. These are the ones which get trained on your past data. So task intelligence is one of our very successful product where we have launched categorization of incident in last year on top of Vancouver. We have got very great response from customers and feedback. And then to continue that journey to help our customer venture into the AIML journey, we have also brought similarity support on the task intelligence. The beauty of task intelligence is it handholds you, suggests you what kind of data is responsible for your prediction, and predicts the value with high correlation and high quality. It gives you the template, and we also give you out of the box models, which get trained on your data the moment you download this plugin in production. So basically one click application and it ready to run. So you just download this plugin on the production. These two out of the box models, which is based on these two templates, get trained on your data. You can come on task intelligence, view how the is doing based on the quality and decide whether to turn it on or off for your agent. And what it does is incident categorization categorizes the incident based on assignment group, CI, and service. And similarity shows similar incidents on the service operations workspace. And let me show you how it does. So currently I'm logged into a service operations workspace for incident management. And I, as an agent, is looking on an incident. I would like to triage this incident, and how I can triage is I can click on recommended actions. I can see what all information or any suggestions are available. As of now, there's no suggestion available which I can look into. So what I can do is, instead of system suggesting me some recommendation, I can go myself and search that any relevant article, similar incidents, or similar problem and change. So what you're looking at here is we have combined the experience of recommendation which system is telling to an agent who is going for the search for a recommendation. So both the direction is now clubbed into single panel where you can be provided with a recommendation or where you can go and search. So this search is powered by AI search. And as you have seen in Brand's demo, how AI search is powered by Now Assist to give you a genius result. Similar experience agent will also see on the service operations workspace, where the topmost card, if possible, will be powered by the generative AI. And this you can see here Now Assist is this part is getting powered by generative AI to show you a genius result. And the rest all is search AI search results based on the data. So that's all from the scope of Xanadu. So what a quick recap, because I have jumped multiple products, jumped multiple personas. So a quick recap, what I have shown, I have started with service resilience, where I have shown the chain summarization powered by generative AI. Then I switched to task intelligence, where the similarity support is now available on task intelligence to your customers, to you, to your admin. And then I jump to the AI search availability on service operations workspace. And from the capability perspective, I have moved from Pro Plus to Pro to Standard. So all three type of customers can use these three different capabilities to make their service desk and service resilience more performant. That's it. Do we have any
Great.
questions, Gokul?
Great, thank you, Apeksha. That was really good. We do have a question from Stefano. He's
Yeah.
asking what the difference is between recommended actions and agent assist. Can you talk a little bit about that, please?
Sure. I'm glad, Stefano, that you did ask this question. So Agent Assist from a technology perspective is powered by Zing Search, which is a keyword search. So the results are not that top notch. The second part is, whereas the search tab here in the recommended actions is powered by AI search. So all the enhancement which we are doing on AI search, whether it's genius results or multi-turn Q&A, all these things will automatically can be used by agent as well as the requester.
Perfect, thank you. Folks, we are now in the Q&A session. So if you have any questions,
Yeah,
you can
I
either
think
drop them in the chat.
Stefano has a follow-up question as well. I agree, Stefano. So that's our actually the move forward. Once we have all the customers move to the recommended action search, we would start sunsetting agent assist, because it's long we have not invested into agent assist because it was powered by a little older technology. But as customers move to the newer one, we would start doing that. When is not yet decided, but that is what the direction would be.
Great. And we have another question from Mohit. He'd like to know whether Now Assist can be bought standalone on top of ITSM Standard, and there's no change in capabilities if it's bought with ITSM Pro. Mohit, so Now Assist, if you want Now Assist, you'll need to buy the the ITSM Pro Plus or the ITSM Enterprise Plus SKU. So with the Pro Plus SKU, you would get ITSM Standard. You'd also get the ITSM Pro apps, and then you'd also get Now Assist. For the Enterprise Plus SKU, you'd get Standard, Pro, and Enterprise apps, as well as the Now Assist application.